Good morning. Today, myself Hemant Kumar Misra is going to start second session of chapter first, that is periodic properties and variation in periodic properties. In first session, some of the important point regarding the chapter was clarified to all of you, like modern periodic law, Mendeleev periodic law, then atomic size, ionization potential and their variation. In ionization potential, it was explained to you that what is its periodicity. That means what happens if we proceed from left to right and what happens if we proceed from top to bottom. In that case of ionization enthalpy left to right, ionization enthalpy increases, and along the group, that is top to bottom, ionization enthalpy decreases. Then our next periodic properties is electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. In ionization enthalpy, it was explained that amount of energy required to pull out an electron from outermost orbit of an isolated gaseous atom. In case of electron gain enthalpy, it is the just reverse case. Electron gain enthalpy may be defined as the amount of energy released when an isolated gaseous atom accepts an extra electron in its outermost orbit. It is just only an addition of electron to an isolated gaseous atom. Suppose there is an isolated gaseous atom X and it accepts an extra electron and get converted into negatively charged ion along with the release of energy. This represents electron gain enthalpy. Because energy is released in this process, so that's why the process is exothermic. Electron gain enthalpy is quite similar to that of ionization enthalpy, but exactly in a reverse manner. Variation in electron gain enthalpy. Our next topic is variation. Variation in electron gain enthalpy. In period, electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity increases till halogen, and in group, that is top to bottom, electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy decreases. The main reason of increase in period is size variation. As we know that in period, size decreases as we proceed from left to right, and that's why electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity increases till halogen. In case of group, as we proceed from top to bottom, because atomic size increases, and that's why electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity decreases. Some of the important point regarding electron gain enthalpy is that in any period, alkali metal possesses lowest value of electron gain enthalpy, while halogen possesses highest value of electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Among halogen member, chlorine possesses highest value of electron gain enthalpy. By rule it should be fluorine, because the rule is that as we proceed from top to bottom, electron gain enthalpy decreases. So position of chlorine is just below the fluorine. So by rule it should be high in case of fluorine, but exceptionally value of electron gain enthalpy is highest in case of chlorine. Electron gain enthalpy is also measure of electron accommodation power of an isolated gaseous atom. That means how an atom is efficient to accept an extra electron. Then our next topic is electronegativity. Electronegativity of an element is a measure of ability of an atom to attract and hold an electron. In terms of electron attracting power or electronegativity, the electronegativity of several other elements can be assigned on the basis of value of electronegativity of fluorine. Electronegativity represents electron attracting power of an atom. How an atom is efficient to attract the electron of other. Electronegativity and their variation in properties is that in period left to right, increases till halogen. Increases till halogen. And in group, electronegativity decreases, because value of electronegativity also depends on atomic size. In period, size decreases, that's why electronegativity increases. In group, atomic size increases, that's why electronegativity decreases. In any period, highest electronegativity is observed in case of fluorine, that is halogen member. Then the overall summary of the chapter is that in this chapter some of the important points that was explained to you is variation in properties of element like atomic size, ionization potential, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, etc. Some other important points related to the periodic properties are also given and explained, like that nature of oxide. As we proceed from left to right, nature of oxide become acidic from basic. For example, oxide of alkali metal are basic in nature, while oxide of halogen are acidic in nature. In the same way, oxidizing characteristics, that means oxidizing property of an element. As we proceed from left to right, oxidizing property, that means tendency to accept electron increases, while tendency to lose electron decreases. That means in period oxidizing property decreases, while reducing property increases. That's why alkali metal are good reducing agent while halogen are good oxidizing agent. Because alkali metal have tendency to lose electron while halogen have tendency to accept electron. Thank you.